I went completely off subject, so I deleted that one. That was weird. I need a couple things from you guys. One, I would love, love, love if you just go on to my page and go to the community section and click invite friends and click select all and just invite all and invite all your friends so that they are all aware of my live paint parties, because guys, the more the merrier, right? Right. So, and as I was saying in the last video that I deleted, my energy thrives off of the more people that are like there and interacting, and it's just, oh my goodness, my energy becomes electrified. It's really hard to be like, yeah, let's paint, let's have fun, when no one's there and no one's saying anything. It freaks me out. Anyway, so that's that. Now, number 2, if you have a child who has done a birthday party with me on Zoom, there's got to be about, 150 now in the past couple weeks that have kids that have done Zoom birthday parties with me. If your kid's been the birthday boy or girl or a guest, even if you were the guest. No, I don't want adults for this. I just need the kids, and if they have permission to be posted on my page and other places, I'd love for you to reach out to me, because I'd love to have them as part of a project I'm working on. So hit me up. 3, if your child has my book, Meet Little Bexta, which is right here. It is the most beautiful, beautiful children's book that's ever been. Here's a little, look at, that's me when I was a little girl, coloring, because that's what I did. And this is my favorite page. It starts like this. Sweet little Bexta was born in the fall. Her town was so pretty and she was so small. Oops. Her mommy is Patches, her daddy is Bill, and sweet little Bexta was life's greatest thrill. I'm not going to read the whole book. I'll just read one more. Patches works hard taking care of the sick. If you need a good nurse, she'd be your first pick. Guys, this book is absolutely amazing. I self-published it, though. I didn't know what I was doing. Look at, even when you open it, it's like you're looking at a whole underwater scene. It's so cool. And actually, this is in the book. I can't find it, though, because this is like a little plastic one, but I have a drawn flamingo in the book. I just don't know where it is. I was looking for it before. Anyway, yada, yada, yada. This book is the hardest I've ever worked on anything in my entire life. It's absolutely beautiful. The illustrations are just to die for. It's just, kids are so funny. Like, they'll see an illustration and they, like, babies grab for it because they think it's 3D. Because it's actually it's photography. So it's like each page was like a diorama, basically, like, but flat on the table, and I built up. So, for example, like, these are clay little mermaids, and then these are shrinky-dink balloons. Background's photography. I put, like, Saturn here. There's, like, gems all over it. Guys, it's crazy. My first release of the book wasn't ready, and I did it because I had a big book release party, and I was like, I'm done, it's fine. I printed it. I hated how it came out. I ended up losing a lot of money because it didn't come out right. It was very embarrassing, because it was like, I've spent hundreds of hours on this amazing book, but the photo quality at home was perfect, but the way it printed was not, because I'm not a printer. I don't know how to do this stuff. So then I reprinted it, and then I released that. Did that big book release party in December of 2018. Then through 2019, the beginning of it, I realized I hate my book cover. It's too dark. So I had to lighten it up properly, because my computer doesn't really show me. That's besides the point. I don't have an Apple, so my computer didn't show me how dark it actually was. So then I ended up using this cover, but the book cost too much, because I'm not going to tell you who I used, just because I'm not going to throw them under the bus. but I used a company that I had to charge $34.99 or something like that to get $5 per book. Like if I was going to sell it like that. That's outrageous. No one's buying a paperback for that. So finally, I figured out I'm going to use Amazon, and I'm selling it for 15 bucks, and I think that's totally fair for a beautiful kid's book like this. Look at that. Who's that? Me. Beautiful. So anyway, I'm doing a big re-release of my book this week, and it's going to be virtual, and I want your kids to help me. So if they own a copy of this book, like I said, it does not have to be this cover, because literally I think maybe 10 people have it with this cover, so it doesn't really matter. I think there's like 5 versions of the book. 5 versions. So I think having different versions of the book would be pretty cool. Even if you only have it on Nook, you could use it like that. So want me to tell you what I'm doing? I'm just going to have... No, I'm not. I'm not telling you. I'm not telling you. Does anyone have any questions, comments, concerns? There's 5 of you on. No one's talking to me. I'm going to be leaving this up if anyone has anything to say. Yes, I did my hair. Yes, I know it looks blazing. I had to. I can't deal with these roots anymore. So I have to play with it. Make it look cool. This is going to be a screenshot later. Ready? When I go back over this. Ready? I'm such a dork. Alright guys, I hope you're all having a great day. And listen, I need you guys to please share, tell your friends, invite your friends to like my page. My page is blown up, and you know what? I have dreams that I'd like to achieve. And that includes teaching kids all over the world how to paint. And I know I'm doing that right now. Oh, thank you, Chrissy. I appreciate that. I think I'm just going to keep doing colorful instead of just blonde. It makes it, I think it looks cool. Thank you, Nancy. These are Goat House Designs. She's out of LA, California. My friend Danica, her husband's military, and she makes these incredible earrings. She sent me these as a treat, just kind of like as a thank you when I first started doing the free live videos, because she was like, I appreciate what you're doing. But I'm like, dude, I appreciate what you're doing. You're a Navy wife, and my Nana was a Navy wife, and I know that's not easy, because she tells me every single day how much she hated being a Navy wife. So I was like, Danica, you don't have to give me a gift. She sent them anyway, and I felt blazing. So I still feel blazing in them. So anyway, guys, I'm just asking, please share. Not even this video. This video you don't have to share. This is like, you're already on Mermaid Masterpieces. This is just me begging you to tell your friends, because you know what? I plan on getting my paint parties to kids all over the world. And I know I'm doing that right now, but like I need to do it bigger. And it's going to happen. But I need to share and get discovered, and my medium told me I was going to be discovered before I even started the book. This was 2 years ago. She told me, actually I just had a realization the other day, and you might think I'm absolutely crazy, but I believe in this stuff. My medium told me, she touched my shoulder and goes, oh my goodness, you're about to be really wealthy. I go, tell me everything, Ruthie. And she goes, oh my God, I can't figure it out. Like, I've never seen anything like this for you before, but you're going to be like red carpet famous. I was like, what? Tell me everything. And she was like, I can't figure this out because I've never seen this before, but I see you teaching kids lessons all over the world, but like using out of a book. I think you're going to write and illustrate kids' books, and it's beautiful, and you're the main character. And so I wrote Meet Little Bexta. However, and I'm working on book 2. It's called Meet Little Bexta's Friends. So far there's about 20 to 25 little mermaids that are Little Bexta's friends. This is Little Bexta. And it's basically all my friends' kids, and it's just each page has like a little, it's really cute. So anyway, I had the realization the other day that she told me I was going to get famous from a book. Facebook. Guys, that's a book. I mean, because she was like, I've never seen it. She's like a little older than us. So she's like, I've never seen anything like this before. Yeah, because she's never gone Facebook Live. So she didn't know how to tell me what it was. She was like, I just see you teaching kids. Like, it's a book. I know she's like, I'm hearing book. Guys. So, the goal is let's tell everyone we know, and the right person's going to see this and be like, this girl's talented, because I am. This girl's drop dead gorgeous, because I am. This girl can teach kids how to paint and relax and have enthusiasm and have self-confidence and be positive, because I am. So, we just got to share it. Keep sharing, keep being awesome. I'm going to bed. Actually, I'm going to play Uno. I'm full of it. I'm not going to bed yet. We're going to play Uno because I just finished working for the day. So, because I just did this for Budsies, which I think is so cool. You know, Budsies was on Shark Tank. I'm working with a company right now, bringing live paint parties to their social media once a week for the past couple months. And they were on Shark Tank. And they are huge. Budsies is huge. If you draw anything and send it in, they'll turn it into a stuffed animal. Guys, do you know how cool that is? I feel like this tattoo goes with my hair too. I'm so dramatic. Budsies makes stuffed animals out of any drawing, and it takes a couple months because they literally are making like piece by piece by piece. Like it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, and it comes out exactly like you're drawing in a cartoon version. It's so cool. I love it. I'm obsessed. I need a Budsies of me. I have one of my Grandpa Inky. I gave it to my Nana. Let me show you. It's my Grandpa Inky and little Bexta painting together. This is actually one of my originals, and him painting one of his originals in my book. How cute is that? I love that. I think he's no longer with us, and I know for a fact he'd like be freaking out about my book, about him being in my book, about these live parties. I know he'd be watching them every single day, and I know after each party he'd call me and be like, well, I would do it a little different there, Becky, Betsy. He used to call me Betsy. My name's Becky. So rude. There's only 5 grandkids. I don't know why. I don't know. Anyway, guys, I'm rambling. I'm tired. I gotta go play some Uno and have some Gatorade. Does that sound good? Sounds good to me. All right. I love you all. Thank you for your support. You guys are awesome. This is a really cool dream that's come true for me. And Rochelle, I was actually thinking about, I'm gonna reach out to you. Did I call you Raquel before? Rude. Or is it Raquel or is it Rochelle? And I want to know who your mutual friends are with my dad. I'm interested in that. I think I want to ask you the price on those easels again. See if you're interested in getting rid of them. I might buy them. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. All right. Let's talk soon. All right, my friends. Guys, thank you so much. Guys, Raquel teaches paint parties too, but she lives about 45 minutes from me. So we're definitely competition, but we're still homegirls. So I ain't mad about it. Are you? I'm not. Alright, guys. Mwah. Thank you for being awesome and all your support. And please share my page, share my events, and share the love. And keep being awesome.